Hello my friends, this is my road of learning English. Take a look, subscribe to my channel, share with friends, let's development together. If I have any mistakes, please write in the comments below. Let's start.
I went to camp for the first time in 2002. 2.
Studying was important, but I needed an easy summer. Swimming was easier than running.
Easier. Легче, easier.
Studying wasn't easy, but summer vacation starts now.
How old were you in 2002?
In 2002, this camp was much bigger.
Studying wasn't easy, so I'm glad that I'm at camp.
Studying wasn't easy, учеба не было легкой,
Did you really like running? Raining. Running.
Fishing at camp was very fun for me. Fishing at camp was very fun for me.
Wow, the camp is much bigger now. Match. Much.
I love fishing because I like to eat fresh fish.
For me, running was easier than swimming.
Running was easier.
Studying was really hard, but now life is easy. Studying was really hard, but now life is easy.
Учеба была очень трудной, но теперь жизнь легкая. Well, fishing is
easier. Easy. Easy. Easier is than it's
easier.
My dad's boat was much bigger than this boat.
Лодка моего папы была
Easy. Easier.
Fishing was not fun when I was a kid. I didn't like to get up early and go to the lake. When I was in the boat, I really wanted to sleep.
Fishing was not fun when I was a kid. I didn't like to get up early and go to the lake. When I was in the boat,
easy.
Camp. Toy.
Number.
Catch.
catch.
Which activity is the most boring? The most boring activity was watching movies. Watching. I came here for the first time in 2006.
System
I hated watching the boring movies at camp.
watching.
Watching. Walking. Watching.
The hottest summer was in 2006.
Было жаркое лето. The hottest summer was in
We didn't go to the lake last time. We didn't go to the lake last time.
Мы не ездили на озеро последний раз.
Watching movies at camp was really boring.
You liked this camp last time? Liked. You liked this camp last time.
I enjoyed playing crazy games with my friends.
Я любил. Yes, my friends, those crazy games it come to played. We played that, мы играли.
Craziest. I think fishing is a boring activity. It isn't fun because I never catch a fish. My friend Ben likes it, but he always catches something.
Я думаю, рыбалка самые активные занятия. It isn't fun, поэтому я не fish. You and your sister like to watch really
Crazy.
crazy movies.
When we were kids, my friends and I liked to play crazy games. One time in 2006, we played soccer with an egg.
Когда мы были маленькими, мои друзья и я играли в сумасшедшие игры. Одно время
We were. Craziest boys at camp.
catch
the more
more
fish
fish in
in
this. More big fish
in
in this photo.
how did you catch
Craziest.
How
did you
catch big fish big the fish photo.
Ear. Marathon.
Trash. Trash.
Tooth.
Look at the beautiful green grass near the lake.
Plane.
Catch.
Remember.
Teeth.
My friend has my keys, so I can't lose them.
Do you remember last summer? You remember summer.
Be careful! Don't lose your ball!
I can't believe that you lost 2 teeth. I can't believe that you lost 2 teeth.
In 2004, the camp 4.